experience overall, ma'am?
It was nice. I can see that you people have done a lot of hard work to organize this, and I'm very thankful to Ellen Next. There were one-liners also. There were a bit of clinical questions and some other questions as well. This was a much-needed exposure, especially for a student like me who is going to give it for the first time. How to, maintain that adrenaline rush, that anxiety, stress.
Let's stay calm throughout the process.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was very much needed. So I am very thankful to Ellen Next and the entire team.
Everything was good. I like the way the Ellen has done this, and it was really very helpful because it is very important for all the students that before attempting for the main exam, we should actually know how to present ourselves, how to cope up with the timings. Overall, I really felt good. The best thing what I would say is कि anxiety kam hui, and I think I'm ready for the final exam after this. Thanks to the Ellen for this.
I would like to thank Ellen team for providing such an opportunity, which was free of cost. I feel like I'm ready for the main exam. Let's hope for the good.
जब मैंने फर्स्ट पार्ट दिया था तो मुझे थोड़ा डिमोटिवेट हुई थी मैं, लेकिन जब मैंने सेकंड पार्ट दिया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Okay.
मतलब थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ मैं अच्छा स्कोर कर सकती हूँ.
I think the CBoT will be a booster in preparation for upcoming exam.
The thing is, it's my first time, so the full thing was like, it was like a exam experience. So I definitely know, because I have an anxiety issue. That's what I'm facing. So that's the reason I gave this CBT. So it helped me a lot. So I know when I go for the exam after 10 days, maybe I won't get that issue now. When you do it at home, you have many disturbance, you have phone, everything, but here it was nothing like that. And this is the same thing what we're going to face on 30th July also. The Sirat sir, he had come to the class, he told that when we are setting this paper, it is going to be to same level what FMG is going to do. So if I can score this much, I'm expecting that, I can score much better in the final
Even
exam.
better.
Yeah.
All right.